Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use and redeem a gift card on Gamestop online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, on your PC, laptop or even your mobile device, open up any web browser and then head over to gamestop.com. This is the official website of GameStop. And now what you want to do is choose any product here to make a purchase. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose a console on the Xbox Series, and then from here I am going to choose the Series X console. And now I'm going to add this to my cart. You can choose if you want it new, pre-owned and all that stuff. So I'm just going to buy a new one, click on add to cart. Give it a few moments to load. You can add a 1 year or 2 year replacement plan if you like to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on view cart and checkout, and I'm going to show you where to put this redeem your gift card. I'm going to remove that gift card there. Now I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. So if you've got an account of GameStop, you can log in here, or if you don't, click on guest checkout. For my situation, I'm going to click on guest checkout. I don't have a account with GameStop at the moment. So what you need to do is add in your credit card details and then scroll down a bit. It will say add gift card or promo code. So click onto that, and that's where you put your gift card or promo code plus the PIN, and then click on apply, and then that gift card will be added to this order. Once you place order, you have successfully bought a product from GameStop and used a gift card as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to use and redeem a gift card on GameStop. Thanks for watching this till the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.